Hello, this is an example video of how to create a simple machine learning workflow in the Chemml 1.0 Jupyter Notebook GUI. For this example, we're going to be recreating the first template in the data mining section of the template workflow tab. So we're going to create our workflow. And to start, we're going to need a data set. So we're going to use the CPOMO data. And then we're going to take that and immediately save the smile data from it. We will then get the fingerprints for that. So we're going to go molecular descriptors, already get fingerprint. I'm going to save that as well. So we'll make another save block. Then we're going to send it to be split. So we're going to go prepare, split, train test split. Next, we'll send it through two MLP regressors. Regressor 1, regressor 2, then we're also going to save the output of that. And finally, we're going to plot it. So we'll need a plot block. We're going to do 2D scatter plot. A block to save that plot. And finally, a decorated plot block. All right. So as we said, we're going to send the smile data to be saved. And then we're also going to send the homo data down to the splitter block as DFY. Save block, simply call it smiles. We want it as an SMI. And we're going to turn off the header. That causes issues occasionally. Check boxes to make sure it saves, and then send it on to block 4. Fingerprints, we don't need to change any of the parameters. We're going to send it block 5 to be saved, and then also to block 6 as DFX. This one we only need to change name, so we'll call it yes. RDKFP. And send that to block 6 as well. Oh, nope. Actually, that's the save block. We don't need to send that anywhere. For the splitter, don't need to change any of the parameters again. We will send the DFX to the second MLP regressor. This is DFX. The DFX train, we will send to the first MLP regressor as DFX. The DFY test, we will send all the way down to the plot as DFY. And then the DFY train will also be going to block 7, the first MLP regressor. So in here, the only thing we need to change is the method, which we will set as fit. And then send that output to block 8 as an API. Second regressor, again, we only need to change the method. This one will be predict. Change this to DFY predict. Send that to block 9 to be saved. And to block 10 to be plotted as DFX. Save file will just go DFY predict. go anywhere. Scatter plot. Set x and y to 0. Check. And then send it to the decorator. Decorator will go true. Change to so 17. Infantry will go true. This is predicted. Well, our x is the predicted energy. Y is the send that to the save block. This will be FY actual versus FY output directory, we'll just do it. And that should be all set. If you look at the computation graph, it should match exactly with the template one. Go back to home page, save script. Scroll all the way down. Copy the instructions. Config file name. Here. Run the cell. Run your workflow. All right, now that it's done, we'll go back to our home page. In our folder, here's the smile data, the fingerprint data, the DFI predicted, and then here we can see our graph like so. And again, this is a very simple workflow, but you can make it much more complicated using whatever combination of features you need. Thank you.